Hello everyone. This is Joe speaking on behalf of Fred Duckworth, Chief Strategist at Narrowgate Trading. It's January 9th, 2025, and Fred just wanted me to let you know that after placing more of an emphasis on looking for swing or position type trade setups this week, his last trade, in which he sold the Euro-Dollar Japanese Yen, which was his most successful thus far, offering about a 45 pip profit, suggests a strategy in which trades are made in alignment with the directional tendency of the general overall flow of 90-minute and 8% shower price action, with positions entered as the 10-minute or 30-minute, or sometimes even the 90-minute measures are coming out of pullbacks from a trajectory opposed to the dominant price flow to resume a course that agrees with it. Bear in mind, however, that Fred is not a licensed financial advisor, so the ideas shared in this video merely represent his own personal opinions and should not be construed as recommendations to buy or sell any financial assets. Whatever actions you take should be based on your own thoughts and due diligence. Peace out.